Yeah, good morning. This is a problem. Draw the network for the given activity and the duration. This question is usually for 16 marks, even in SWE and CIE, they won't ask only one question for 12 marks. Okay, so from both points of view, understanding this problem is very important. So you have activities are given here. It is 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 3, 2 to 5, 3 to 4, 3 to 6, 4 to 5, 4 to 6, 5, 6, and 6, 7. There are the activities given here, along with the duration of each activity also given. Say, for example, 1 to 2 activity, 15 weeks duration. Say 3 to 4 activity, 8 weeks duration. Likewise, these are duration given here. So you have to construct the network. Second, to find the critical path. And 3, compute the earliest start time and the latest finishing time for each event. So for each event, you have to find out what is the earliest start and the latest finish. Okay, these things you need to find out. So this question is for 16 marks in SWE. Okay, so I'm going to solve here. Please write down the problem first. The activities now, all the activities 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 3, and all the things in the activities, and also write the questions.
Sir, the presentation is not visible.
Presentation not visible, not visible.
No, sir. No, sir.
1 second. How is it visible? Can you see now?
Yes, sir. No, yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. I'll give some 5 minutes. Not my 5 minutes. I'll give 2 minutes only. You write down the problem now. Your problem is draw network. So activities are given here 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 3, 2 to 5, 3 to 4, 3 to 6, 4 to 5, 4 to 6, 5 to 6, 4, 6, 7. And also for each activity, so duration also given. Say for example, 1 to 2 activity requires 15 weeks to complete. 1 to 3 activity requires 15 weeks. 2 to 3, 3, and likewise 5, 8, 12, 1, 14, 3 and 14 weeks. So these are duration given for each activity. You have to construct the network. First question, construct network. Second question, find the critical path. And thirdly, compute the earliest start time and latest finish time for each event. So for example, you have one event and you have two event, likewise 3 event. So 1 to 2 is the activity, whereas 1 and 2 are the events. Likewise, say 3 to 6 is an activity, 3 is an event, 6 also an event. So you have to find out what is the earliest time activity 3 can start. What is the earliest time the activity 6 can start? Similarly, also have to find out what is the latest finish time for each event. Say, for example, 6. What is the latest time you can complete this event? So, likewise, you have to find out for each event. So, this is a problem. So, I told just written here this question for 16 marks in SWE, a single question, and even for CIE, we are going to have single question for 12.5 marks. So now you have to construct the network. So shall I start now to construct network? Hope you have taken the problem.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now we start the construct network. It's easy. It's not so big deal here to draw here. So let us say now start with the first activity, activity 1. Okay. And now say 1 to 2 now. Say I'm going to write here 1 to 2. And right here, say for example, I'm going to write here 2 event here. Okay. Remember here, so you don't know whether to write here or here, simply written here. So you have to use pencils while drawing a network. Next 1 to 2 is there. 1 to 2 duration given is 15 weeks. Right above the arrow mark. Next 1 to 3 is there. One more here. So I'm going to write here third event. 1 to 3 event. Okay, so it requires 15 weeks to complete. 15 weeks, 1 to 3. Next, so you have 2 to 3. So just connect here 2 to 3. 2 to 3 event. It requires 3 weeks to complete. 2 to 3. Next, you have 2 to 5. So let us say I'm going to draw here 2 to 5. Okay, 2 to 5 event. Next, 2 to 5. Next, 3 to 4. So we can say there's going to be one more event here, 3 to 4 event. Okay, 4 event. 3 to 4, it requires 8. Okay, so 2 to 5 requires 5 weeks to complete. Next, 3 to 4. Next, 3 to 6 is there. One more thing is there. So 3 to 6, sorry, I forgot to write here. So let us say here, because 4 and 5 here, so 6 I'm going to write here. So you to connect this later, it will be easier. That's why I'm going to draw a bigger line here. Okay, 3 to 6. So going to be 12 weeks here. 12 weeks. Next to 4 to 5 is there. One more. So 4 to 5. 4 to 5. It requires one week to complete. Next to 4 to 6 is there. Now you just connect 4 to 6. Okay, that is 14 weeks. Next 5 to 6 is there. Okay. So connect here once again 5 to 6 also. Okay, 5 to 6. It requires 3 weeks. Next to one more is there, it is 6 to 7. Okay, you just draw a line here, straight line, sorry. Okay, draw a line 6 to 7. Okay, it requires 14 weeks. Okay, that's how we're going to draw the network. So maybe in the beginning you don't know whether you have to write 1 here, 2 here, or 2 here. Right here, 2 to 3 here, so network may come down, that's it, nothing else. At any point of time, this relationship is not going to change. Whether you're going to write 1 to 2 here, 2 to 3 here, doesn't matter. Anyway, you're going to connect later also. Have you understood, or you want me to write once again? Have you understood?
Yes, I understood, sir.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's very easy in fact. Only based upon the relation given, you can just keep on writing it. That's it. Okay. Now, so this is a custom network now done based upon the relation given here 1 to 2.5. Now you have to find out the critical path. Critical path is one where the highest duration, okay, maximum duration the product can complete. So let us say, for example, to start from event 1 to 7, you have multiple paths. So let us say you keep on writing all the paths to reach 7. So I'm going to start here. For example, now 1 to 3, 3 to 6, and 6 to 7. So I'm going to the first path. So let's say 1 to 3, it is 15 weeks. 15 weeks. Next 3 to 6 here. 3 to 6 here, 12 weeks. And 6 to 7, 14 weeks. 14 weeks. So just check out how much the time here. 1 to 3, 6 to 7. So that is equals to 41 weeks. Okay, 41 weeks to go through this week. 1 to 3, 3 to 6. Now next, one more is there now. Next, 1 to 3. Next, 3 to 4 you can go here. 3 to 4. So 4 I got 2. 4 to 5, 4 to 6. Let us know 4 to 6 will go and 6 to 7. Check out now how much. 1 to 3, it is 15 weeks. 15 weeks. And 3 to 4, it is 8 weeks. 4 to 6, it is 14 weeks. Plus 6 to 7, it is 14 weeks. Check out how much duration it is. So into 41 weeks. Right now, how much it is? $51 weeks, no? 51?
Yes, sir. 15 weeks.
3, yeah. 51 weeks, no? 51 weeks. Next go one second, one more route. 1 to 3 and 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. So 1 to 3 it is 15 plus 1, 3 to 4 it is 8, 4 to 5 it is 1, 5 to 6 it is 3, 6 to 7 it is 4, 14. So 41 weeks, right? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Next, now we can go 1 second, one more now. Now, so now 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 7. One more. 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. The other two routes. Okay. Yeah. Now 1 to 2 it is 15 weeks. 2 to 3 it is 3 weeks. 3 to 4, 8 weeks. 4 to 5, 4 to 6, 4 to 6, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you have one more route there, no? One more route is there. Okay, 4 to 6 is 14. 14 plus 14. So is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. How much it is?
54, sir.
54. 54 weeks. 54 weeks. Next, one more thing. 1 to 5, 6, 7. So 15 plus 5 plus 3 plus 14 is equals to 37, no? 37 weeks.
Yes, sir. 37.
Right? Yeah. Now, among all these things, the highest is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So this is the critical part. So what you have to do is now, you have to mark double line for this path. So 1 to 2, you mark one more line here. One more line here. 1 to 2. Next to 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Next 3 to 4. 3 to 4. Next to 4 to 6. 4 to 6. Next to 6 to 7. Likewise, you mark two lines here. So that to indicate that this is the critical part. Okay, so now first question is, second question, critical path. That is 54 weeks is the critical duration. 54 weeks. Okay, done? Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
So, yeah, now I'm going to do next part. That is computing the earliest start time and latest finish time for each event now. So I'm going to write once again, same you do, because I want some space in below. So I'm going to write once again here. 1, 2. Four to 6, 5 to 6. Then 14, and the 3 to 6 is 12, and the 6 to 7 it is 14. To 5 it is 5, 4 to 5 is 1, but it is okay, that's up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 15, 12, 14, 15, 3, 8, 14, 14. Okay, that's all. Same thing I've done. Now you have to find out the earliest start, yes, and the latest finish you have to calculate. Okay, so I'm going to write one by one values here. Okay, let us say now here I'm going to write here. It is above here. I'm going to write ES and the LF, earliest start, latest finish. I'm going to write for each event. I'm going to write here ES, LF, ES, LF, ES. Sorry, I'm going to write here. Here, ES. You write down all these values, ES, LF, all the events. ES, LF. So I'm going to write here ES and LF for this also. And for this one 6 I'm going to write here ES, LF. This I'm going to write here ES, LF. These are the things are written. Okay, now you have to find out the earliest start and latest finish for each event now. So let us say now we start with the earliest start now, earliest start. So now event earliest one, can earliest start means how much you can start at the 0, beginning only. Earliest start, okay, 0. Next go to 1 to 2 event now. Earliest start, you can start only after 15 weeks. So I'm going to write here 15 weeks, the earliest start time for event 2, because only after completing the first event, event 2 can start after 15 weeks. So earliest 2 can start after 15 weeks. Now 3 event, 3. Let us say here earliest is how much? From if you want to go to this route 1 to 3, it is 15 weeks. But it unless 2 event gets over, 3 can't start because there is a relationship between these 2 events. That's why. So 15 plus 3 is the 18 event. 18 is the earliest start time for 3 event. So though here it's 15 here, but because there is a relation here 2 to 3 event, so 15 plus 3 is the earliest start time event 3 can start. Now event 6, event C, if you go to this route here, 18 plus 12 it is 30. Now if you go to this here, 18 plus 8, 26, 26 plus 14, it is 40. Okay, 40. So now which is actually earliest start? 40 only. So ES can start here 40. Okay. Yeah, sorry, still the route, just don't know. We'll see now. Okay. So now, say for example, here I'm talking about a fourth unit go now, fourth one, fourth. So here 15 plus 8. Okay. So how much it is? 23. But here 18 is already there. 18 plus 8, 26 is the earliest start. So fourth event can start only after 26. That is 18 3 plus 8 26. Now here after fourth comes fifth unit, fifth now. That is here 26 plus 1 27. But here 15 plus 5 20. So we can start after 27 only because so fourth also there. That's why 26 plus 1 27. Now 27 plus 3 30 for sixth. If you go through this route, 18 produces 26 plus 14 it is 40. Next here 40 plus 14 it is 54. This is the earliest start. Means always I will take the highest value in the earliest start. Okay. So earliest start for first event is 0. 2 is after 15. So here is 15. So 3 here 18 because of 15 plus 3 18. And here fourth. Okay. 18 plus 8 26. Next 5 26 plus 1 27. But here 15 plus 3 5. But actually 5 also linked to 4. So 26 plus 1 27. Next coming to 6 here, 26 plus 14 it is 40. 27 plus 3 30. So you take 40. Next 40 plus 14 it is 54 weeks for the this one, seventh event. Now latest finish. Let us finish now. LF. So this event can finish only after 54 weeks only. Okay, we're giving the reverse now. Okay, not because start time and finishing time. So event 7 can complete after 54 weeks only because the earliest start is 54. So then immediately time only can start. Nothing but a 0 you can say from this side. So 54 weeks. Next coming to 6 year, that is the 54 plus 14, it is 40. 40. Next year, back to 5 year, that is 40 minus 3. Okay, 40 minus 3, it is 37. 40 minus 3, 37. But here, 40 minus 14, 26. Okay, so here 26 comes to 14. 26 minus 1, 25 here. Okay, because there is a link to 4 to 5. Next, go back to 3 here. 26 minus 8. Okay, 18. 18. So you should take least value here. You can't take this value. 12. Next, back here 18 minus 3, it is 15. But if you go through here, 27 minus 3, but there is a link here to here also, that's why we take this value only. Next, 15 minus 15, it is 0. So just see here, okay, in the critical path, both earliest start and latest finish values are same. Okay, see here, earliest start, first event 0, here 15 15, 18 18, 26 26, 40 40, 54 54. Okay, that's how we can check out that whether you did right or wrong. So the values of critical path will come always same only.
Sir, once again explain the latest finish time.
Okay, okay. Okay, now we're going by event now. So start time always start from left side here to here. Okay. Finish time is from here. See, now I'm going to take the seventh event. Seventh event, finishing time is how much? 54 only, because it's the critical path duration. So total duration of the project is 54 weeks. Okay. Latest finish means for seventh event, only after 54 weeks this can finish. It's a finish time. Okay, latest finished. Latest when it can finish up. Okay, latest finish. LF. So this seventh unit can complete only after 54 weeks because the critical path itself is 54 weeks. Okay. Now back to the sixth event now. We are finding the latest finishing time for sixth event now. Event number 6. Now seventh unit 54 weeks. So minus 14. Okay, minus 14. It is 40. Okay, so this can finish, latest finish by 40 weeks only. This minus 14. Next here, coming to this the third unit, third or 4 or 5 now. 5, 5 here. See now, 5. This LF minus 3. This 3 is there. This LF minus 3 becomes how much? 37. Okay, 37. But now, so here 6 to 3 here. Okay, 6 to 3 here. It is 40 minus 12, it is 28 actually, 28. But if you go to this one here, the critical path say now, because your critical path is there here, critical path. So here 40 minus 14, 26. So for this it is 26. So now 26, why 26? Because 40 minus 14, 26. 26 minus 1, 25 here. You're going to take the least value here. Okay, even if you come to this root here, say 40 minus 3 becomes 37. 40 minus 20, 14, 26. 26 minus 1 is 25 for the event number 5. Next 3 now. If you go through this root, so this 40 minus 12 becomes 28. No, you have to come this way. You see how much here? 26. 26 minus 8. Okay, it is 18. Next, 18 minus 3, it is 15. Suppose if you take here 25 minus 5, 20 comes. Okay, you take the minimum value. Next, 50 minus 15, 0. I'm going to solve this similar problem, 2 more problems I'm going to solve. If you understand, don't have to. Okay, now I'm going to solve once again. A similar type problem I'm going to solve. So now you have to find out one more thing is called as float. Okay, the thing called as float, because this question may going to ask you an examination. Float. Float means how much flexibility you can give between these two. Okay, so I'm going to write here on table. I will explain you. Don't have to worry. This float not asked in question, but I'm going to tell you how to calculate float, because in question they won't ask you about to find the float also. To tell you what exactly the float means afterwards. Okay, write down what you can do. Just take down this table. It is activities all 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 4, 3 to 6. All you take now in the order of 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, right? And also write down the duration here. Now you have to calculate the earliest start time, latest start time, earliest finish time, and latest finish time, and also float. Okay, this need to be calculated. The 7 columns. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns are there. I won't give here numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the other 7 columns are there. Okay. It's very important why I'm telling you. Just write down this. So write down all the activities and duration. And also mark these are the columns as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 columns mark. Okay. So here you write one thing here. Now column 1 and 2 fill now. Now column 3. Column 3 is tail ends of activities. Tail end of activities. Okay. Tail end of activities. Let us say now, what is tail end here? 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Tail end is what? This one is tail end. Okay. That is, what is the value here? That is a 0. Next, 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Tail end is what? The 0. Okay. This value. Next, 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Tail end is what? That is 15. Okay. I'm talking about earliest start time. Next, 2 to 5. 2 to 5. Tail end is what? 15. 15. Okay. Next, 3 to 4. 3 to 4. Tail end is this one. So 18. 3 to 6. 3 to 6. Tail end is this one. So 18. Okay. Next, 4 to 5. 4 to 5. Tail end is one. So it becomes 26. 26. Next, 4 to 5. 4 to 6. Okay. 4 to 6. Tail end is one. So we can say 26. Next to 5 to 6. Tail end is this one. So we will write 27. I start writing, you write down 27. Okay, so write the values now. Okay, remaining values 27 and 40. Okay, this one is 27, this one is 40. These values. Okay, I can't write here, so I'm writing here. So you are writing the tail end values of each activity for column 3. Next, column 6. You directly go to column 6 now. Column 6. Column 6. This column. So here you have to write the head events. Head events of the activities. Head events. So, for example, 1 to T, 1 to 2, which is head event, this one. You are writing the LF value. Okay, that is 18. 15. 1 to 2, yeah, 1 to 2, 15. Next, 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 18. You are writing the head values. 2 to 3, say now, 2 to 3. So LF value 18. 18. 2 to 5. 2 to head value what? Almost 25. 3 to 4. 3 to 4. This value 26. 3 to 6. 3 to 6. Head value is 40. 3 to 6. 4 to 5. Head value 25. These are all the LF values. Okay, latest finish values 25. Next, 4 to 5. 4 to 5. Next to 4 to 6. 40 LF value 40. Next value 4 to 6. Next to 5 to 6. 5 to 6 is 40. So next 6 to 7 Last value 54. Last value 54. Right. I don't have space. So I'm writing here 24. Likewise, you are writing the head values here. Here they are the tail values. Means here you're writing ES value, the LF values. Okay. Next, column 4. Column 4 is equals to 6 minus 2. Okay, column 6 minus column 2. Column 5 is equals to 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. Okay. Column 7 is equals to 6 minus 5. Okay. Now this will the values now. Column 4 now. This value, column 4, 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2 means 50 minus 15, 0. Next, 80 minus 15, it is 3. 80 minus 3, it is 15. Next, 25 minus 5, 25 minus 5, it is 20. Next, similarly, so 26 minus 8, 18. 18. 40 minus 18, 28. Next, 25 minus 1, 24. 24. Next, 40 minus 4, 26. 40 minus 3, 27. Next, 54 minus 14 is 40. Okay.
Sir, last second is 37.
37, huh?
Yes,
Which
sir,
one?
37.
This one? Ah, this one, this one, huh? Okay, right. 40 minus 37. And lastly, 54 minus 14, 40. Okay, no? Next, column number 5, 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. It is 15 plus 2. It is 15, 0. Next, it is 3 plus 2. 15, 0. 15. Next, 15 plus 3, 18. Next, 15 plus 5, 20. Next, 18 plus 8, 26. 18 plus 12, 30. 26 plus 1, 27. 26 plus 14, 40. 26 plus 3, 29. 26 plus, no, 30. 27 plus 3, right, no? 30. 30. Next, 40 plus 4, 54, right, no? 54. And last column, float. Okay, so float value, so it is, I told you, 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5, 0. 3. 0. 8 minus 3, no? 3. 3. Next, 5. To 0. 10. Minus 2. 2 no? How much? 0. And lastly 0. Check out now. Float values. 6 minus 5. And here, what you have to check out is whether critical values floats are 0. Say 1 to 2 critical value, so float should be 0. Right. Next to 1 to 2, next to 2 to 3. 2 to 3 critical value 0. It's very important. Okay, because the float should be 0 for all the critical path values. Next 3 to 4. 3 to 4 it is 0. 3 to 4. Next to 4 to 6 it is 0. And lastly 6 to 7 it is 0. 0 comes. Okay. This for all the critical path. Okay, critical path. So float becomes 0. Very important. Float basically it's the difference between the latest time and earliest time. So why you have to calculate is actually to have some slackness here. Slack means what? That is the time by which occurrence of event can be delayed. But critical path you can't delay because here the earliest time data finish both are same 0 0, 18 18, 15 15. So these events can't be stretched or delayed because so here both the start time and the finishing time both are same. That's why critical path you're going to get 0. Other events or activities you're going to get some difference, meaning that there is a possibility of slackness. Nothing but you can delay the occurrence of 1 or 2 events. Do these actually, these you can say it 1 to 3 or 3 to 6 or 5 to 6, 2 to 5. They're all not critical paths. So these activities can be delayed to some extent. Okay. That's why critical path you're going to get 0 and other activities are not going to get 0. Okay. That's the significance of the float in a project. Okay. So remember here, by calculating these values, that is, you could able to find out what is the earliest time you can start the activity. What is the latest time you can start? Latest time. But the critical path, because both are same, you're going to get 0. Can't start. So similarly, finish time. What is the earliest finish time and latest finish time? Okay. So these are very essential to complete any project. And also by knowing the float value, you could able to check out how much time you can delay 1 or 2 activities. Okay. That's all about this particular problem. That is, you are drawing the network based upon the activities given, and also you are finding the critical path. That is the maximum duration of the project. Okay. And thirdly, you are finding all the times. That is, earliest start time, latest start time, earliest finish time, latest finish time. These things. But in this particular question, I have not asked you to find out float. But in next question, I'm going to ask you to find the float. That's why I solved the float here itself. That's about this problem. Now let us we start with one more problem, so you'll understand better. By 12 o'clock, I'm going to take a different problem, but now I'm going to take one more problem of similar kind. I think by having this idea, you can draw a network and solve it, I think. Same problem, it is draw the network. Determine critical part. Critical part. So total float. Total float for each activity. Each activity. Remember here, they didn't ask you to find out the earliest start time, latest finish time at all. But if you want to find out the total float, you have to calculate. That's why simply they have given that calculate the total float. This question is for 16 marks. So I'm going to give here the activity and the duration. Duration in weeks or months, sorry, like months. Okay. So activity 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 3, 4 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 4, 3 to 5, 4 to 5, 4 to 5, 4 to 8. And I'm going to continue here. 5 to 6, 5 to 7, 6 to 7, 6 to 8, 7 to 8. So I'm going to write duration here. 8, 10, 4, 8, 10, 4, 0, 5, 6, 0, 5, 6, 4, 8, 5, 4, 8, 5, 7, 3, 5, 3, 5, 6. Okay. So second column 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 3 and all. Okay, if you try to draw it, it's not difficult to draw based upon the activity given. Okay. So let us say I'm going to start with here. One activity, 1 to 2, 2 is 8 weeks. Next to 1 to 3, 1 to 3 is 10 weeks, 10 months. Next to 2 to 3 is there. 2 to 3 is there. That is 4 weeks, 4 months. 2 to 4 is there. 2 to 4 is 0. That's why this should write in a dotted line. Okay, because it indicates that it's a dummy. Okay, because 0 given. 0 basically means dummy activity. Okay. Dummy activity means only to relate it, linking them. That's what. Okay, 3 to 4. 4. Next, 3 to 4. 3 to 4 is there now. 5 months. 3 to 4, 5 months. Next, 3 to 5 is there now. 5. 3 to 5 is 5 months. 3 to 5. 4 to 5 is there. Okay, 4 to 5 is there. 4 to 5. To 5 is 4 weeks. And won't it much early because I don't know why it takes in triangle, so I'm writing here to understand it. Okay, 4 to 5 is 4 weeks. Next to 4 to 6. 4 to 5. 4 to 5. 4 to 8 is there. Sorry, it's not 6. It's 48. Please change it. That's 48. It's 48. Sorry, please change it. 48. Yeah. Net 4 to 5 is there. Net 4 to 8 is there now. 4 to 8. 4 to 8. 4 to 8 is 8 weeks. Next 5 to 6 is there now. 5 to 6. 5 to 6. 5 to 6 is 5 weeks. 5 to 7 is there now. 5 to 7. 5 to 7 is 7 weeks. 6 to 7. To 7. This is 3 weeks. 6 to 8. 6 to 8 and 7 to 8. Okay. 6 to 8, 5 and 7 to 8 is 3. Yeah, that's right. 1 to 2, 8, 1 to 3, 2 to 3, 2 to 4, W, 3 to 4, 3 to 5, 4 to 5, 4 to 8, 5 to 6, 5 to 7, 6 to 7, 6 to 8, 7 to 8. Yeah. Please note that what that I have seen in the previous year that the students are going to write the connecting arrows like this. Okay, it is not allowed. Arrow mark should be straight only. Okay. So this type of curved arrows is not allowed in the network. Say for example, by drawing this, you are going to draw 5 to 7 here. Say for example, you are going to draw 5 to 7 here, and I'll show you what mistake you may want to do. And I have seen it. So you're going to extend up to this 5 to 7 like this, 5 to 7 like this, and then because 6 comes here, to connect this one here, you are trying to do like this. Okay, so this is not allowed. For this, we are going to use 0 marks because the curvature type of arrows are not allowed. Only straight lines allowed. That's why in that case, what you have to do is you have to draw once again and then redraw the network because it's 60 marks problem. So you may sometimes you think that you have it right and give a less marks to the marks because of mistake you did. Okay, so we have seen last year couple of students written like this only, showing the curvature type of function. So this is not allowed. You have to draw the straight line only. All the connecting arrows should be straight line. It's very important. Okay, you got this now. Right. Now find the critical path. Find the critical path. Let me know. I'm going to give 5 minutes time. You find the roots from 1, 2, 4, 8. Next to 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Like this, you have multiple paths. So you please find out and do this one. So what is the critical path now? Duration of the project? Critical path. Critical path is equals to, I think after finding all things, you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is a critical path. And duration of the project. Duration of the project is equals to 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is 8. 2 to 3 is 4. That's the 3 to 4. 5. 4 to 5. Plus 4. 5 to 6. Plus 6 to 7. 3 plus 78. 3. That is equals to 2 months. Right now, you checked out all the critical paths. Okay. Just don't follow me. You have to do on your own, because by doing on your own, understand the problem. So find all the paths. 1, 3, 5, 8. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, critical path. Now you got critical path. And now I'm going to explain you another 10 to 10 minutes how to find the earliest start and latest start values. Remaining you can calculate. Table you can do. I know, because based upon the formula I have given it, at the 7 columns and fill the values. I'm going to explain you how to find the values of ES and LF values. Okay. So for each event, write down ES, LF. For each event, write ES, LF. Write down ES, LF, ES, LF for all the events. Okay, now first event E. This event can start, earliest start is 0. Okay, beginning event, earliest start. Next, 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Okay, it is 8. Okay, 1 to 2, 8. Next, 1 to 3. 1 to 3. It is from here 10. But from here, because 3 depends on 2 also, 8 plus 4, 12. Now, 4 now. 8 plus 0, 8. But here, 12 plus 5, 17. Take the highest value, 17. Next, the 5th unit. 12 plus 5, 17. But here, 17 plus 4, 21. Take the highest value. 5 to 6. 21 plus 5, 26. 6 to 7. 26 plus 3, 29. 21 plus 5, 28. So, highest value, 29. Next, 8. 17 plus 8, 25. 29 plus 3, 32. 26 plus 5, 31. Write the highest value, 32. Understood? Understood now? Earliest start times?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, I think someone got a doubt with the latest finish, no? Latest finish you calculate. Okay. LF will do now. This event now, we're going back now. We're going back. See, in the earlier start, you are taking the highest. Here shows the least value. So this event 32 only, not change. 32 only. Because last event and because 0, nothing but answer. So LF is 32. Coming to the 7th unit now, 7th. Okay, 32 minus 3, 29. Okay, so here 26 minus 3, 23. Minus 3, 23. And here 32 minus 3, this is 32. 32. Sorry, not 32. Sorry. 29. 29. Just here, 32 minus 5, it is 27. But here 29 minus 3, 26. So least value. Next here, 26 minus 5, 21. 29 minus 7, 22. So it is 21. 21 minus 4, 21. Yeah, minus 4, it is how much? Yeah, here 29 minus 7, correct, 21. 21 minus 4, 17. 17 minus 5, 1. Here 12 minus 5, less than go more. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 minus 8, 3. So for all the critical paths, it should be same value. It's here 1, 2, 2, 0, 0, 8, 8, 12, 12, 17, 17, 21, 21, 29, 29, 32, 32. For all the entire critical events, 2026. For entire critical events, so these are the values should be same values. So even in float also, this should come 0 values. I think only 1, 2 actors are not there. 1, 3, 3 to 5, and 48. All are actors. In fact, they are activities only. Network. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have to draw the table. The side I wrote same table. Like this, you have to draw table, activity, duration, earliest start time, latest start time, earliest start finish time, latest finish time, and lastly you write the float. Okay, so write all the activities like 1 to 2, 1 to 3, like us write all this, then write duration here, and first to fill the column. Okay, that is I told you in the previously. So you have to first fill 3 and 6. Okay, very important. First fill the third and the sixth column. Okay, third is the tail events, and H is the head events. 3 refers to earlier start time. Head refers to head finishing. So write these values. Then I told you what you have to do for the remaining. That is 4 events you have to make 6 minus 2, and 5 is equal to 3 plus 2, and 7th 6 minus 5. Okay, these things I told you how to do it. Okay, so that's all about this one. So this carries 16 marks. So you take utmost care to understand. So you are going to draw network first, then finding the critical path, then finding the earliest start, finish time. Then you're going to draw the table, finding the float values. Okay. Easy. If you have doubts, still doubts, I can solve later. No issues. So I'll take it 12 o'clock once again. I want to do a different type of problems where we're talking about optimistic time, pessimistic time, and most likely time. Because normally in case of project, so these things are very essential. That is the optimistic time, the pessimistic time, and the most likely time. when the flight can be completed. Okay. So that's all about today's first session. So I will take it 11:45. Harsh, I'll give half an hour gap.
Yes, sir.
11:45 take. Okay, 11:45. Okay.
Okay.
I want to take one more different type column. Okay. So far I did about CPM, critical path. Now next time I'm going to take the fault. Okay. This chapter totally called as potent CPM. So this critical path basically consider network, finding critical path, and finding the earliest time, latest finish time. These things are there in critical path, and also float at the end based upon the table. Okay. Potentially basically, I'm telling you from that way I have tell now only. I'll tell you at 11:45. Okay. Okay. See you 11:45. But you have to complete this portion table.